Good morning, people. This is Tony Rey-no from Too Well for Fun, a site I created for the simplicity of the ride. Well, I'm not going to keep you long. Just wanted to give you a little perspective on the conditions from part 1 versus the conditions of part 2. So hopefully you can understand why I aborted the ride. Because if you can't see them, they can't see you. With that said, cue the intro. Sync the video. Hopefully I am recording. Yes, I am. I think. Yes, people, this is Tony Rey-no and I am recording. For those of you that are following my catalog of videos, this road may look familiar because I have been down here many times on my ZX14 and my 2016 Goldwing. There was a nice lovely little house that had a bridge, but I think it has been removed. Oh no, there it is. It's nice. But it was nice and colorful years ago. It has been 3 years since I have been on this lovely little stretch of road. Kind of technical, short but technical. But there's an easier way to get to where I'm going. You know, you can easily take the 14 north and connect with the 58 north, and that will get you over here as well. But I like this way because it's scenic. At least I think it's scenic, and this is the shit I do. And as you can tell by the speedometer, it's, you know, no crazy speeds, at least nothing that I will show, because the rides that I put on my YouTube channel, you know, they're, you know, not so hectic. But whatever view this is showing you, I hope you enjoy this. I mean, I know many don't. Some may find this boring, but others may find this therapeutic. I know I do. Right, so this is where the ride truly begins. Like I was saying before, there's an easier way to get where I'm going, and that easier way, I'm really looking at the bike because I'm kind of pointed downhill. I got the emergency brake up, but you know, you never know. There's an easier way to get where I'm going, and that is the 58. It's down here, and it actually goes all the way into Tulare, Bakersfield, and on. So that is the way that most people go. But this is the way I come through. I come through Woodbridge Tehachapi Rd, and it's a nice little twisty road that snakes right along the mountain range all the way down and connects to the 58. There's 2 reasons I come this way. One, it's called the Tehachapi Loop. The second reason is the Cezar Chavez Memorial Museum, which is nestled in the hills. You can't see it, but trust me, it's here. All you have to do is Google it. Google Cezar Chavez Memorial Museum in Tehachapi. So here we are going down Woodbridge Tehachapi Road on the way to the big Tehachapi train loop. For those of you with the DCT, put your DCT in manual mode, so you could really, you know, control the gears. You can I'm in what, third? I'm in 4th gear right now. I just dropped it down to 3rd. In 3rd gear, you can just as easily roll through here in 3rd gear, you know, maybe even 2nd, depending on your skill level. But no matter what your skill level, take it easy, because after all, this is just a nice scenic ride, you know. Now if you want to be a little bit more risky coming through here, hey, that's all on you. I got nothing to do with that. I'm letting you know right now that this road is somewhat technical, and depending on how you ride, this can easily become a dangerous road. And I say that because no road within itself is dangerous. I mean, all it is just it twists through the mountains. You know, they come through, they lay tarmac, they put some lines on here, and, you know, slap a speed limit on here. The rider makes the road a dangerous road because, you know, they come through here like a bat out of hell, you know, trying to use this as a racetrack. You know, am I guilty of that? Yeah, I have. I've been guilty of that on my 14. But I was always, well, I like to say I was always in control of what I was doing, because no matter how fast I was going, per se, quote unquote, it was, I like to say it was a controlled speed. I just get it up to where I consider myself having fun and I enjoy myself. And there's the part of the train track down there, and yeah, I'm gonna look. There's a what you call it, oh, there you go, there's a good view of it. It does come through. Oh man, they've actually done this up quite a bit, because this was not here before. This used to be all grass, so we will put that up and put the kickstand down, and hopefully the bike will not move. So I will cut the double feed. Okay, so we'll end that, and we'll keep the single feed. So again, it has been roughly 3 years since I've been here, and this is all new. This wasn't here before. When I used to come here, this sign here was right in the middle, and this was all dirt. So now you can see it's kind of a marker for the Tehachapi Pass railroad line. And the Cezar Chavez Museum is right down here somewhere. And so as you can see, the train comes and it loops upon itself, and it starts from below, so it comes here, loops around, and keep in mind that loop is a complete mile. Let's remember the emergency brake this time. And away we go. All right. So yeah. And if you want, you can just as easily ask somebody what time it comes through. So as you can see here, the road twists and turns all through the mountainside, all through these foothills. So yeah, this is one hell of a road. Let's not the mustard. This is one hell of a road. And when I've been up here on my ZX14, I have fun. And in saying that, you can have fun without being reckless. You know what I'm saying? There's a big difference between having fun and being reckless. So but now these days I'm on the Goldwing. The Goldwings are my time. This is my time. I have had I have had my day in the sunlight, if I can say. I've had my day in the sunlight, and man, it has been, whew, it has been one hell of a ride. And I am blessed to say that I'm still here and still riding. Yeah. So as you can see, I did a turn off on the road. And well, maybe you didn't see that, but I did a turn off on the road, because if you bypass the turn back there and go up to this turn here and try to do a 380 coming in here, it's kind of difficult because you know, there could be traffic behind you. Again, just Google the Cezar Chavez Memorial Museum and it will bring you right here. Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna go inside. I'm just gonna, you know, come through here, do a circle, and you know, just give you an indication of where it is, because I will come through here at a later date and kind of give you an inside view of the museum. And here is the visitor center right here. Go in right here. There's the door. Normally the garden, especially during the springtime, the garden is immaculate. So if you're into garden, if you're into flowers and stuff like that, I urge you to come through here during springtime and check this area out, because it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm telling you right now, you'll be surprised at what you find in here. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to go through today, but next time I will definitely go through and show you the inside of the museum. This is just to show you what it is. Yeah, that's the Cezar Chavez Museum, people. And we'll just continue on our journey just to see how far I can get before I turn around, because like I said, I want to be home well before nightfall. And so now we're going to come this way and continue on to Caliente Bodfish Road that I was telling you guys about. Alright, so let's hook that up and I'll get with you guys in a bit. Hey people, I'm trying to see if I have power. I don't think I have power. Yeah. Sync the video. If you make it this way, be mindful of what you do, because depending on what you do could make for a very bad day. Well, all right, people. Take two. I don't know. Maybe this is to be continued again, because that is getting pretty thick. This is the way I came. So as you see, it's slowly gravitating towards the area that I need to get back to. So yeah. Beautiful, but at the same time, you know, wind's not blowing too hard. Maybe I can get some drone footage. Get with you in a bit. Hey, how you doing? All right. Hello. All right. All right. Hey, I know you. How you doing? I know him. How's it going? Hi. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the plane from the Tehachapi Loop. Yeah. How you going? Unfortunately, we missed the Tehachapi Loop because I was up there playing with the fog, taking photos. I was going to try to get back and get it coming through, but as always, I will have to do another trip. Which, is that a problem? Is that really a problem? I don't think so. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But what will be a problem is getting home, because now I am heading home in a deep, well, I think I'll be heading home in a deep fog bank. I'm not 100% sure, but looking over the hill, it looked pretty bad. So I may have to pull over and put on the heated gear, put on some thermals, or maybe I can just turn on the heat on the old Beastmeister here and get home and still be nice and toasty. And at least that's what I'm hoping for, because it still was a beautiful day. I knew this front was coming in because as I was on the hill overlooking the 58, I pointed it out to you. Hope you remembered. Hope you followed the video that much. But now, people, we head home. This has been another awesome day for Two Wheel for Fun. And I don't know. What can I say? This is what I do. I'm Tony Rey-no, over 50, still on 2, and loving the simplicity of the ride.